Okay, here we are on top of Mullayyanagiri hills. This is the peak point where we have the temple behind us. There is a Shiva temple, probably that's why it's called Mullayyanagiri. So this is the tallest peak in the whole of Karnataka. And right now myself, Vinay, I have here Sudhir, who's also capturing on his video, as well as you can also find Sanjeev over there. And this is the temple, and it's full of fog, so there's not much of a view as of now. Hopefully some of this gets cleared as we kind of like move. And this is the depth that we are seeing here. Let me try to focus this down. That's impossible depth that we're seeing. I'm just focusing a little bit. uh, it started raining, so I will kind of end this movie here.